guys, we're going to cut the quarter glass out on this Ford Fusion with our Spider 4 here. Make sure when you're getting ready to wrap this thing, you pull enough line to get your wrap all the way around. Get this guy tucked in here. Tuck in the top here.
But every time you start a sentence, you always say, I don't remember if I told you. It's just all I hate it. But yeah, I get it.
There we go. Get our second wrap in here. Gonna do 2. Make sure we're tucked. Let that pick up our slack. We've got our anchor here, and we're going to start cutting. Keep on going. See it starting to pull through here. And this setup works really well, ideally, guys, for these ones that have the long part on the end right here, because it allows us to cut through that thin spot first. So these longer ones that have the nose on them are a lot easier to cut out with this setup here on the outside. The ones that have the squared off front are much harder to cut. So keep right on going here. Pull through that pin. We can take our guards out here now. And just like that, free and clear. WRD Spider 4 quarter glass removal on a Ford Fusion. Until next time, guys. Thanks for watching.